this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to learn how to expand binomial expressions using the identity for perfect squares of products. We want to expand the expression x plus 6 squared. And this is a perfect square of a bracket that involves a product. Okay, product meaning that we're adding two terms. And when we're doing this, we can use this identity that we have for algebra, which says if we have these two terms that we're adding and we're squaring that bracket, we're going to be left with the first term squared plus 2 times the two terms plus the last term squared. So we're going to use that identity to expand this perfect square. So we have the expression x plus 6 squared, and if we match it up with the equation, x would be what we called a and 6 is what we call the b in the rule. And so we can expand this out using the identity. So a squared in our equation is x squared. So we're going to have x squared plus, our rule says we have 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 6. And then lastly, we have plus b squared. B is 6, so this is going to be 6 squared. And we'll go in and we'll simplify this. And this is a step that I forgot to write in the strategy, so we'll simplify. And when we're simplifying this, this will become x squared, that doesn't simplify anymore, plus 2 times x times 6, 2 times 6 is 12x, plus, and 6 squared is 36, so plus 36. So the expanded version is x squared plus 12x plus 36, and that is how we can expand binomial expressions using the identity for perfect squares of products. Fantastic.